guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. As always, I'm excited for every video, but today we're going to be doing something that I absolutely love, which is decorating. And I love decorating for holidays, especially Halloween, so this is going to be a lot of fun. A lot of times I'm not really super inspired by like the DIY dollar store videos, but I did start watching some other videos here on YouTube, and I was inspired to go check out the $2 stores here in the tiny little town that we live in and see what I could find, and I really did find some amazing stuff. So I wanted to share some really fun projects with you guys and show you guys how I decorate for Halloween and fall. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so we have a Dollar General and a Dollar Tree here in town, and so I went and checked them out. So let's do the Dollar General first. Found some really cute stuff at Dollar General, actually. These are cinnamon broomsticks. I got 2 of them, they're $4 each. They've been sitting in my garage for the last 24 hours, and now my garage smells like a beautiful fall day. So these are super cute. I plan on putting one of them by the mantle, and then I'm gonna put another one of them outside. Super cute and smell amazing. This is gonna make the entire house smell good. Then I also picked up a few smaller ones. These ones were $1, so I'm just gonna place these in just little fun spots. Again, make the house smell really good, and the cutest little decoration for fall. It smells like heaven. They also had some cute black and white straws. There's this woman that I really love to follow on Instagram. Her Instagram handle is JL Garvin, and she has like the cutest decorations. I just love looking at her stuff, and I have noticed in the past, I think when she's done her Halloween decor, that she had really cute paper straws, just like by her coffee bar, or maybe it was like a hot chocolate bar. I don't remember. She kind of has a similar style to me where she really likes black and white. I love black and white. It's like my favorite. So I picked up some of these at the dollar store. So I'll put these in a little jar next to the coffee bar just to add a little bit of decor inspiration to the coffee bar. And they also had some of this fun creepy cloth. You see these a lot at like, I don't know, any place that's gonna carry Halloween decorations, but they're gonna cost a little bit more than $1. So I'm hoping there's a good amount of the cloth in here so we can decorate. I wanna use these throughout the house and definitely out on the front porch. So I picked up 4 of them because they were only $1. They did come in gray, like a really dark charcoal gray, and this like linen color, and I just picked up 4 in the linen color. The next place I went was Dollar Tree, right? Yeah, Dollar Tree. So these items were all truly just $1 each, and I did do a really fun project, so I'll share the project with you guys here in a second, but I do have one cute little figurine to show you. I picked up 2 of them. They're these little kind of opalescent, iridescent white skulls. These are super cute just to add as little decorations in like little spots throughout the house. So the fun project I did, I'm not sure if you guys have been getting overloaded with all of these videos of people turning all of the glass vases into terracotta pottery pieces, but they are so inspiring and so cool. And I wanted to try this project, but I wanted to try it on my Halloween decor. So I picked up these plastic skulls from Dollar Tree, and I went and picked up some terracotta colored paint from Walmart and did the whole project. If you guys want to check out how I made this plastic skull into a beautiful terracotta piece, you'll want to go to my Instagram for the tutorial. It is on my Instagram Reels. But I picked up 2 of these plastic skulls and turned them into cute. They look like it is actually like a ceramic terracotta piece now, but they're actually just plastic. Like I said, I kind of have a different style for Halloween. I'm not so much going for like a farmhouse look. I kind of like the more modern minimalist look. So they also had these cute little mushroom figurines, and to me mushrooms are kind of part of fall, so I painted these with the terracotta paint and they turned out super cute, so I'll use these in different spots around the house too. Okay, last but not least, You guys, I love when I go into like Michael's or Joann's and they have all the fun like potion bottles and things like that. So I wanted to make my own fun potion bottles. So if you guys go to my Instagram and check out my most recent reels, you'll see the tutorial video here. Each of these bottles were from the dollar store, and I picked these ones out because they each had a cork stopper in them. So I thought that that looked very like vintagey, fun, modern Halloween. And so I did the terracotta paint on them, and then I printed off some labels. I just went onto Pinterest and searched for like vintage apothecary bottle Halloween labels, something like that. And printed these off onto sticky paper. So I made this one, and it says brain juice. And then there's this one, it's just like a poison bottle. And this one's super cute. It's now owl wing oil. And I think this one is probably my favorite because it's got the fun designs on it. And this one, it has concentrated extract of bat blood for flavoring. So this was a really fun project to do. I definitely recommend going and checking out my Instagram so you can learn how to do this, because I pretty much want to terracotta paint everything in my house now. Last two things, I went to Walmart because we do have a Walmart here in town. I wish it was Target. I wish I could go to the Target dollar spot, but the closest Target is 2 hours away. I'll be fine. Don't worry about me. But I found these cute lanterns for the front porch. So this one was only $13. It's just a plain black lantern with the little hinge on the little lock hinge on the door, and the door opens up. So I'll probably put like some candles or something in here, or maybe if I can find some cute little pumpkins or some leaves, I'll put that in here. So this is only 13 bucks, really good find at Walmart. And then they had a second one that I liked as well, and this one comes with a little LED candle inside of it, and it also has some fall leaves and foliage. So I put some rechargeable batteries in it last night to test it out, and it's so super cute. I'm really excited for this. I like the wood with the black steel, looks ridiculously cute. I was lucky enough to snag up some of the pumpkins from Safeway that had the really long stems. These are so cute. Now I start looking through all of the pumpkins to find the ones with the cutest stems, because you got to make sure you're paying attention to that aesthetic. And I painted these white with just like some regular interior paint that I had. They look super, super cute. I have these all throughout the house, and I think they were only $1.29 a piece. And the last thing I picked up were these mums. They're dripping all over me. These are a perfect flower for fall. These are perennials, so they will come back next year. I also picked up some in white, but the flowers haven't quite blossomed yet. I'm really excited for these. I'm gonna decorate my entire front porch with all kinds of mums and pumpkins, and it's gonna look super cute. Okay, that is everything for all of the new stuff that I purchased for this year. I hope that this kind of gave you some inspiration to go and check out the dollar store. Even if you're kind of like me and you're not a huge fan of like dollar store, I was able to find some really cute stuff. I'm very surprised. So with that, let's go ahead and start decorating. I found these super, super cute little plastic bats that I put up all over the house on Amazon. I'll make sure I share the link with you guys in the description box below. And then I also have these really old little poison bottles that I made like 10 years ago that I always pull out during Halloween. I found these bottles at an antique store and just printed off the cute little poison labels. Next, I started decorating the open shelving in my kitchen with some of the cute Dollar Tree items that I repurposed and made even cuter. And I also put those cute black and white straws up just to have them out on display and add a little bit more black and white. And then above my coffee bar, I put up all of the really cute poison bottles that I turned into terracotta. Love this whole look. It is probably my favorite of all the decorations that I have out, except for maybe the fireplace, and I'll be showing you the fireplace here in a minute. Of course, I had to put out my Halloween rug. I found this cute cat rug last year at Joann's, and I thought I was gonna put all of my pumpkins outside this year, but mid-decorating, I got a profound idea to use my pumpkins in the fireplace. So I did do a little bit of redecorating after this video was done, and I'll be showing you where I put the pumpkins here in a moment. After all of the redecorating, I decided to just leave the flowers and the one wood and black steel candle holder outside. I think it looks so cute, nice and simple, and I love the gauze on the flower pots. It just looks really cute and adds a little touch of Halloween. Lastly, I wanted to show you guys how I decorated my mantle. This is by far my most favorite Halloween decoration spot in the entire house now. I decided to place all of my fun colored pumpkins in the fireplace along with some books to give it some dimension. I have a couple of garlands up, the little cinnamon stick broomstick, some other decorations I have, and I just think it pulled together so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and please share it with somebody who you think might like this video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. I'm working really hard lately on bringing you guys all kinds of amazing content for home decorating, organizing, tips for life, all kinds of good stuff coming your way. So please subscribe if you haven't already. As always, I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful Halloween and happy decorating.